back to my channel. So today I kind of want to get a little bit more ahead of the game when it comes to my channel. I want to start filming fall makeup tutorials already. It seems like every time the fall comes I probably only have like 1 or 2 makeup tutorials and I'm tired of it. So I want to have more of a variety for you guys. I want you guys to be able to come and look to my channel for, you know, some inspiration and things when it comes to the fall. So let's just do a disclaimer. I'm still practicing on my makeup looks. I'm still working on how to really work with eyeshadow. I'm still an eyeshadow beginner, like when it comes to cut creases and doing a lot of things. So I too still look at a lot of tutorials as well. So excuse the TV, baby girl's over there. I just want to show you guys a really cute look. I'm going to be using this super cute deep vampy look from, it's a liquid matte lipstick from e.l.f. and this is Vampy Violet. I want to use that today and I feel like my hair is just giving me fall vibes, so I just want to try something out. Let's go for a dark fall type of look and let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so right now I'm just going to start off with my Fenty Beauty primer. It's the eyeshadow primer. I'm using this to prime my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. And I find like that the easiest application or easiest way to blend it out is with a brush. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 14D palette and I'm using this brown shade right here. And I'm just starting this off in my crease as a transition shade. And this is just to add that transition, that depth before I go ahead and add my main color. And basically this is like an ash brown, which is why you guys are going to see me use more brown color, if that makes any sense, like a reddish brown color. And that is this color right here called Define in the Morphe 15D palette. And you guys can see basically the difference between the two shades. And the Morphe 15D palette, actually those browns are really good to do your brows with. They're super perfect for that. Now I'm using my Morphe, they call it a concealer, but it's super white and it's to make your colors pop. So I'm using this, it's in the shade Fluidity. And like I said, I don't even know how to do cut creases, but this is basically like one of the very few times that I actually did try a cut crease. I feel like I could have taken it a little bit higher, but I don't really know. I'm still working on it. So after I do that, I'm using this shade, this plum shade out of my Wet n Wild palette. This was only $4. And I was looking through all of my other palettes and stuff, and I realized that I don't have this shade in any of my other palettes. So this is the color that I went with. I'm just packing that onto my lid, as you guys can see. And this color is really rich. I really love this color. And as you guys can see, like I'm just packing it on my lid. And that Fluidity concealer down on the bottom is really making this color pop. I absolutely love it. And in my inner crease, I wanted to go with like a shimmery color, but I used this color out of my Glitz and Glams palette. I thought it was going to be a little bit more brighter, but it didn't quite turn out the way that I wanted it to. I probably should have just did the entire lid that pretty maroon shade. I thought it was gonna shine a little bit more than it did, but no worries. This, like I said, I'm still practicing. So I'm in my James Charles palette and I picked up that deep brown color, and I'm basically just trying to define that crease a little bit more. And I actually went ahead and blend that out just a little bit more, just to add a little bit more depth and just that oomph. So I'm just gonna zoom past this part, me doing my other eye. This was super sloppy, you guys. Like, I was really disappointed in myself, but I made it work. Like I said, I'm not a professional when it comes to eyeshadow. Whenever I do eyeshadow, I always just blend my little oranges on my lids and things like that. But I'm trying to expand my horizon with the makeup. I'm really good at foundation and the contouring and all that good stuff, but I really just want to expand in this area, so I'm learning with you guys. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and I applied this off camera because it was really hard to apply on camera. I have these two pair of lashes, bottom lashes and top lashes, from this store called Miniso. It's a Japanese brand. I'm going to show you guys how to apply bottom lashes. You literally just apply them right up under your lash, just to disguise the lash band, just like how you would apply your top lashes, but on the bottom. It's super easy. If you guys feel like you want a tutorial on top and bottom lashes, feel free to ask me in the comment box below and I'll get that video to you guys as well. Then you guys can kind of see them here, but they're super natural bottom lashes. If you want, I mean, you can stack them to give it a more full look, but I'm just applying those the actual top lashes now. And it's literally the same as how I applied the bottom lashes. I start off in the middle and then I go to the inner corner and then I'll take the rest and stretch it out and pull it to the bottom portion, if that makes any sense. So this is what they look like. I pinched them with my real eyelashes just to make sure that they stay. I'm using my Damn Girl mascara. Now for my lips, I'm using this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and it kind of feels like water, so I'm just waiting for that to dry. I'm using this brown eyeliner. Yes, I said eyeliner. You got to get creative to line my lips. I don't have like a deep purple shade, but now I'm going to be using this Vampy Violet liquid lipstick from e.l.f. I got this when I was in LA, and I actually got this for free. It was like buy 5 products, give 5 products free. And I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm just filling it all in. And this is a really cute shade once it dries down. Like glossy, I don't really like it, but when it dries down, it was super matte. I've had better formulas when it came to liquid lipsticks, but again, this was like $4 or $5, so it wasn't bad for the price. And to be honest, I like the color. I'm just not a fan of, you know, super dark colors on me. But this was cute. I think it was cute. I mean, I'm trying. And then I just took that same color that I use on my eyelids for my blush, and I'm just adding a little bit of highlighter. And that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.